Environmental coronavirus testing from EDLab. Sterile synthetic swabs moistened with gene-free water are used to collect representative surface samples in a building. The collected sample on the swab is transferred to a microvial containing buffer lysate solution for safe transport to the lab. The samples with an accurate chain of custody must be received by EDLab within 72 hours of collection.
Environmental testing for SARS-CoV-2, that is also known as coronavirus, is an essential and important component in understanding the spread of this pandemic through the environment. The test results help in focusing to prevent dissemination of COVID-19 virus across indoor environment or occupiable space.
EDLab then processes the samples and utilizes RT-qPCR technology to determine the presence of the COVID-19 virus. Finally, a report is prepared based on the test results and distributed to the customer. EDLab is accredited by A2LA and the New York State Department of Health ELAP, as well as certified under the CDC Elite program. Since 1994, EDLab has logged close to 300,000 samples of allergens, bacteria, including Legionella, fungi, and other indoor environmental contaminants. Contact EDLab with your testing and analysis needs today. We help all types of facilities become a certified pure air indoor environment. Here's how. HVAC cleaned and restored. All of the HVAC units were hygienically cleaned at 350 degrees Fahrenheit with the pure steam method. This process uses high temperature and low pressure steam to thoroughly disinfect the equipment. Then, the units were refinished with a high-performance antimicrobial and water-resistant coating as part of the HVAC New Life restoration process. Particles reduced. All of the supply and return ductwork was hygienically cleaned with the Pure Duct method. This process incorporates negative air machines with HEPA filtration. Ductboard was also encapsulated to prevent degradation and harmful fiberglass particles from being spread throughout the building. Pathogens neutralized. Pure Decon electrostatic spray disinfection was conducted using EPA-registered disinfectants for emerging pathogens. This safely and effectively neutralized all bacteria, mold, and viruses, including coronavirus, prior to the church facilities being reopened. Air purification. Air purifiers with multi-stage antimicrobial HEPA filters and bipolar ionization were installed for continuous cleaning, essentially creating a self-healing facility. Conditions monitored. IAQ Guard was installed to continuously monitor the facility for particles, temperature, relative humidity, carbon dioxide, and volatile organic compounds. Coronavirus environmental testing was done to verify building safety for occupancy. Our environmental diagnostics laboratory analyzed the collected samples with RT-qPCR technology and detected no presence of coronavirus RNA. Make your building a certified Pure Air indoor environment today.